Hello everybody, welcome to ChinesePod. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to talk about tone changes. We also had another series about tone changes.
And there we talked, for example, about a rule which is two third tones being together, and then we changed the first third tone to the second tone. And we will talk a little bit more about this one because there's some more we want to tell you.
Especially today, we're going to talk about ordering food. Let's check out the dialogue.
老板，我想点水饺。
小姐，你想要几碗？
给我2碗好了。
还要什么？
再给我一盘炒米粉。老板，我想点水饺。
小姐，你想要几碗？
给我2碗好了。
还要什么？
再给我一盘炒米粉。老板，我想点水饺。
小姐，你想要几碗？
给我2碗好了。
还要什么？
再给我一盘炒米粉。
So after hearing this dialogue, let's break it down line by line.
老板，我想点水饺。
Sir, I want to order dumplings.
老板，我想点水饺。
Sir, I want to order dumplings.
老板，我想点水饺。小姐，你想要几碗？
Miss, how many bowls do you want?
小姐，你想要几碗？
Miss, how many bowls do you want?
小姐，你想要几碗？给我2碗好了。
Please give me 2 bowls.
给我2碗好了。
Please give me 2 bowls.
给我2碗好了。还要什么？
What else do you want?
还要什么？
What else do you want?
还要什么？再给我一盘炒米粉。
Please also give me a plate of stir-fried rice noodles.
再给我一盘炒米粉。
Please also give me a plate of stir-fried rice noodles.
再给我一盘炒米粉。
So in the first sentence of the dialogue, the customer wants to order dumplings. And this sentence is pretty cool because it's made up of complete third tones. It's all third tones. So we have like a couple of words, for example, boss, which is
老板。老板. So notice that the first word becomes second tone and the second word stays the third tone. 老板. Now I want to contrast this with another word that has 老 in it. How do we say wife? 老婆. 老婆. So the first one is third tone. Second one, second tone. 老婆. So this is third, second, as opposed to boss. 老板. We can hear the differences.
so 老 is originally third tone. But
老.
in 老板, because it's 2 third tones, it becomes the second. Okay, good.
Second and third.
Good. And we have another word which is exactly like this, which is 水饺.
Yeah, 水饺. 水饺. So 水, normally third tone for water, becomes second tone, third tone. 水饺. 老板.
But what happens to the one where we have like 3 third tones together in the middle for I want to order?
Okay. So I want to order, it sounds like this. 我想点.
Okay, so you're making this to a second, third. Okay. It feels like 我想点. Like they're not you cannot phrase a unit with one of these, right? It's like 3 separate words.
Exactly. So in our tone change series before, we talked about 2 words that go together. For example, 老板. 老板is a phrase, so those 2 have to be together, and the tone change works together as well. But in this case, 我想点, these 3 words are totally separate. So there are no phrases. So 我, I, 想, want to, 点, order. Now, when these three words are put together and there are no phrases, the tone change rule is like this. 我想点. That's the first two become second tone, and the third word stays the third tone. 我想点. Now, I'm going to contrast this with a verb in the next line, which is 你想要. 你想要. So the first one was 我想点. The second one was 你想要.
要. So 你想要.
Second, third, fourth.
So originally two third tones, but because the next one 要 is just fourth tone, it's just the normal two third tone rules applied here.
Exactly. And sometimes people would say it differently. Like, how would you say 我想点?
I actually ask myself exactly that because I think I tend to say 我想点. So that's like half a third tone, a second tone, and then a third tone again. 我想点.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Okay.
How do you say 3 nines?
Just 3 nines? 九九九
Okay, do it with tone change really quickly.
九九九
Yes! And then do it with tone change really, really slowly.
九九九
Yeah, so 3 nines are 3 completely separate units. So that goes 九九九. So that follows the rule we just talked about. 2 2 3. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another one. 1999. Okay, so let's say that I was born in 1999. I wish. How would you say that in Chinese?
一九九九
Oh, you actually did that right. So normally if it's 3 nines, it's 九九九, right?
Yeah.
So if it's 1999, we might think it's 一九九九. 一九九九. Exactly. But then because 19 something something, like 1984, 1942, we put that 19 together.
Oh, okay.
So 一九九九.
So it's not like separate numbers anymore.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.